434 to dispatch officers and deputies. Don't forget to process the vehicles here at the impound.
Super.
Hello, Sir Don.
Hello.
Kinausap
Detective.
na ba kayo ni Diggy?
Apparently, he almost got arrested a while ago. But
A while
he
ago.
still doesn't have any information as per Captain Jack. Now there's no more the time date if you cannot provide. I think the talk was if you cannot provide.
Nasaan si Chief?
I think code 0. If he cannot
Pagsabihan nyo yung putang inang LSPD na
Calm down,
nag-head on sa akin.
Calm down. Later,
Sino?
let's talk on that later.
He's not allowed to drive anymore.
Calm down.
As
Sino?
HSU, as supervisor of HSU, he's not allowed to
Sino?
drive anymore.
Sino?
I don't know.
Calm
Sino
down.
nga
We
ang
can talk about
LSPD?
that.
Sino
all
yung
later.
nag-head on sa akin?
But anyways,
Pero,
detective.
let's have a quick huddle up dito sa may motor pool.
Anyways, detective, yeah, regarding
Ano yan?
about it. I think Captain Jack said there's no timetable for it, but Diggy has to give an information. If he doesn't, we'll be starting to find him.
Kinausap ko na siya, kakagising ko lang ngayon. Ngayon, natulog kasi ako matagal. So,
Yeah, so
nabisi ako eh.
what's
May
his story?
ginagawa ako sa apartment. So, yeah, siya rin daw, natulog din siya na matagal. So, the agreement is, yeah, kung ano yung sinabi mo na may bibigay pa rin siya information kapalit nito. Pag wala, aresto. Tapos,
Yeah. So,
wait lang, ano ba nakalagay dito sa agreement?
just give me,
Wala na eh.
give me,
Sira na tong August 3 eh.
just
Ngayon,
give me the go signal. I'm gonna hunt that down.
what kind of go signal na aresto yun si Diggy?
Oh,
Hmm.
terrorism 2880.
Terrorism is 2080?
2880. Because it's an indefinite time, right? It's for court trial. Terrorism is for court trial, right? It's in the penal code. There's no specific timestamp for the terrorism, right?
Ano yung terrorism?
Terrorism is for court trial, right?
Yeah.
So being prisoned for indefinite time because he's a flight risk. If he have access to those kind of things, then what's safe to say that he doesn't have any access again and do it again?
Yun
We're
nga
just gonna take
Pero
his word for it?
actually, meron din tayong na-charge ng may granada eh. Diba nga yung kay Hitman Daniel Padilla na nagbato rin siya ng granada noon. I think it's gonna be the same charge na nun. Like yung
No,
terrorism
but
kasi.
the difference is
Ano?
the difference. Diggy was trying to, what do you call this? Was trying to
Trying what?
take out a deal last time. Remember, we were there. He was trying to cut a deal for you regarding about this and that. But Daniel Hitman Padilla, nothing.
What?
He just felt guilty. So that means if Diggy has this kind of deal that he's trying to make, he knows information, he just doesn't want to say it. So if he doesn't want to say it, that means this could just push it to court
arrest.
trial. Yeah, arrest in court.
Trial.
So indefinite time because he has information that's very deadly. What's safe to say that he won't use that information again? Then no, indefinite time of
Baka mamaya kakausapin natin. Sumama ka na lang.
Yeah. You know these criminals nowadays? I don't understand these criminals nowadays. You know,
Actually,
yesterday,
pag wala siyang
detective,
sinabing maganda mamaya, on spot.
you know, yesterday we pulled over a vehicle.
Tama siya ipapato dito.
Nothing. No towing here, sir.
No towing?
Yes. Next time, sir, do not enter, sir. Sir.
Siya na kasi dito na gano'n eh.
But next time, sir, if you see this police department parking lot,
okay.
you're not allowed to
At least
enter.
I am not threat naman. Sorry.
Sinabi ko na. Sabi ko indefinite time. I mean, pag wala nabigay si Diggy, auto-arrest na.
Grabe naman.
Di ba wala naman timestamp na binigay? Sabi ko, pag wala siya nabigay, sabi ko kay detective, kaya Wapos wag na bigay court trial. So I was saying,
Na-arresto na si Lou Tyrone.
yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
wala na siya sa MDT eh.
Yeah. But the problem is, there's no report regarding about Lou Tyrone. I don't know with Marty.
What do you mean? Ba't walang report?
I don't know with
Ni-report
Marty.
yun.
Where is it?
Tapos na, asing kinulose na kasi di ba nga nahuli na. So,
Yeah, what happened on
natanggal na
that
sa warrant.
day? How many months did he serve? What's the incident that happened?
you mean... you search Lou Tyrone. Dun
Yeah,
sa
there's-
incident report.
There's none.
Ang natakasan niya kasi is yung bank truck na heist.
Yeah, after that, there's none. The latest Lou Tyrone is Charlie Traven regarding
Evangelico?
about IP Man. There's nothing else.
Mm,
See?
What do you mean?
Hello?
Have to look for it.
Hello.
Is this all
Can
Evangelico?
we talk here, detective?
Nandito na ba? Ito, si Shoto. Ikaw tayo nakabangga eh. Kayo naka-LSPT dito eh.
Hala pa.
Si Mala. Si Mala, si... Oy, Mala! Sino nakabangga kay Charlie? Sino ng head-on?
Ano?
Mami na.
Ako, kanina.
Oh, yeah.
Ikaw
Ayan, si
ba huwag
Shot.
ka na mag-drive?
Huwag ka naman
Imagine
ganyan.
straight road. You're not on the correct lanes pa. Ano yun?
Bakit ka? Ba't mo na head-on yung
You're not
HSU
driving for
kanina?
3 days. If I see you drive, next 3 days tayo na.
Wait lang. Let him explain, di ba? Ba't mo nabangga si ano? Si
Iwasan ko yung
Charlie.
kotse.
Anong kotse? What do you mean kotse?
Nakahinto dun sa
What you were doing that last time? Are you connected to the chase?
Yes.
Connected ka sa chase. And then, anong gagawin mo? Are you a tertiary?
10 officers
Ah,
on
Nagko-connect ako
duty.
kay Ma'am Charlie.
Kukonek ka kay Ma'am Charlie.
Yes, tapos nagulat ako
Ilang
nasa
pieces?
harap
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nasa harap ko na sila. So, kukonek ka kay Ma'am Charlie, nasa
What's
harap mo na
up?
sila. Do you mean you're doing a block ba? Ganun?
I literally called out. Because he asked, what's my 20? I said, going south on Elgin.
Hmm.
Sending south of Elgin.
Wala.
HP?
Warning kayo sa RP.
We're just going on a straight road.
Warning kayo sa RP.
You have to be on the opposite lane pa.
Yeah, onto the opposite lane. And then,
Okay
He
lang
hit on me.
bully.
he head on.
Okay lang.
Nag-stall nga yung
Okay,
vehicle
okay
ko
lang
eh.
bullying officer basta
bakit
pagdating
ka
sa
rin
order, sumusunod.
tawag dito?
Tingnan mo,
So,
pagdating
sino
sa...
yung hindi nag-lock ng bravado?
Yun.
Could you put that down?
Nangangalay na ako.
Ikaw rin,
We're the
Shota.
same rank.
Nilak ko yun eh, kababa ako.
Yeah, you're gonna be having demerits for that. May ano, asan yung demerits natin? Yoyi, Sergeant Yoyi. Come on. Can you give demerit to Shota?
At the end of the
By
day,
the way, sir,
wala akong
hindi
order
po tayo
na.
magde-demerit.
Basurang
Bakit?
order.
First, verbal warning, and second na magkamali ulit or anything na possible demerit is
Yung
going for 3 days
DPM.
suspension.
Ah,
Anong
okay.
meron? Anong meron? Anong order
Verbal.
sa
Sabi ni
basura?
Chief.
Sino to? Francis, ikaw ba, Francis?
Ano nga?
Sino to?
Other than that, may nagawa pa ba to si Shoto? Na-warningan ka na ba dati, Shoto? As if naman magsabi siya na na-warning.
I'm gonna check it
Pa-check nga.
sa profile.
Kapag meron, yeah,
Ano
Proceed dun
ang
sa sinasabing
basurang order?
suspension niya, ano.
Order na
May dalawa na siyang demerit.
illegal.
And then you go with the,
Kay Ma'am Riz.
you're gonna go with, Ano
MDT
yan?
yan pagka galing sa akin.
Oo, sa MDT.
Fuck na, speaking of
Finish
FDT.
report.
baka meron
sige, I'm
din
going
mga
with
dito.
the decision ni Charlie na Shoto will not be driving. You will
Don't
be an
suspend
Adam.
him. He's just not allowed to drive.
Yeah, you will be an Adam. Then,
Ano ko sinabing
you
tamang
will be
order?
doing a
Sinabi ko,
dispatcher.
pag-order.
technically, what ano yung magiging
Kaya nga
focus
sabi
mo
ko
is
kay
to
Lorenzo,
arrange our units when there are
kung
safe
ayaw
patrol
nilang,
calls.
ayaw ng officer
Sino
na
yung nag-aalala ng dispatcher, PTD?
respect ng
Si
higher upper na
Sir
minimum.
Lorenzo.
Huwag silang hihingi ng
Eh,
tulong.
ano? Don Pablo?
What?
Hindi ka nagtuturo ng dispatcher. Can you instruct Shoto to be as from moving forward, siya yung as a punishment, hindi siya pwede mag-drive. But then, para may prove mo pa rin yung usefulness mo dito sa PD, you will be doing dispatch.
Yung order. Sa HP kanina, solid. Solid talaga. Putang ina mga ano yan eh.
Ayan.
Show me 1041. May 10-8.
Hindi na nga nagre-respond yung mga LSPD officers at nag-handle ng hindi na nga nag-handle LSPD officers ng mga cases dito sa LSPD. Tapos pag may kailangan pa ng tulong.
Meron nga doon sa stairs.
Sir Pablo, anong gagawin dito? Anong gagawin doon?
Cafeteria?
Oo. I need to 10-7 muna. Wait lang.
Okay.
Matulog ka na.
Everyone proceed to the training room.
Hello.
Training room, everyone. Proceed to the training room, everyone.
Excuse me.
Training
Parang
room.
saan? Magkano
Gonna
yan?
get food. Dude,
Training room.
Sige nga, patingin nga ako. Sige.
wala nang food. Wala.
Yun ang ina-handle ng LSPD, sarili nilang jurisdiction. BCS pa nag-handle ng mga intense shit. Tapos pag di alam gagawin, magtatanong sa Sir, anong gagawin dito, sir? Sir, ayaw niya mag-plead guilty.
Okay, you check.
Sir,
Aray!
hindi ka na nga. Sir,
Kit to. Ay, ikaw.
sir, nag-iinit po yung nasa labas,
Paano mo?
sir. Sir, paano po handling
You
sa...
check.
Chihuahua po to.
Yan to.
Kit kaya yun. Kit kaya yun,
Ano
Charlie.
mo? Tangin na.
Basket yung corgi, di ba, Charlie?
Bobo. Lockdown
Oh,
nga
oh.
eh, tas gagalit pa eh.
Ano,
Saka,
mas gusto mo? Chihuahua?
sino di nakakalam
daw.
yung ibig sabihin ng lockdown? Ibig sabihin ng lockdown. Di ba pag lock, sarado? Kung ano ina.
Sabi naman
Sarado.
kiligin si Ma.
Tapos gusto mo papasok.
Wala pa naman akong baluti ngayon.
Uy, go.
Oh,
Walang kalma-kalma.
Charlie! Charlie!
Oy,
Saan ang mga HS nyo dito?
Mo puro...
mi malayoyi.
Gagumala. May advanced repair kit na daw.
Oh.
Oo.
Mas advance din si Manong Kalbo dyan eh.
Oh, mas advance pa si Manong
Totoo.
Kalbo.
Kahit sa mauusok na eh.
Hindi, yun kasi, magagamit nyo for mga ano.
Ayoko, 25k.
Ang mga limang gamitan lang daw.
Ayun, no?
Sabi
Hindi,
ni, ano,
depende. Kung ano,
Sandali,
kung lahat ng pinto bawala,
Sa LSPD
ubos
ngayon.
yun.
Hindi, kahit
Oo.
gulong lang. Kapag nagulungan nga.
Kaya tama si Sheriff.
Uy, wag ka naman Wag mo naman dilaan si
Kasi
Charlie.
ako,
Dilaan si Charlie ang puta.
Yo, dili-dili
Wala
ako.
sa office eh.
Tuloy, dami.
Kung si Crush.
Ako.
Sino crush mo? Sino
Si Mala.
Si Mala cute. Mukhang bulldog.
Pero wala na akong ano sa LSPD.
Ba't mo ako pinapalitan? Ha?
Hindi, I'm the cutie.
No.
Kaya tama
ang mga
si...
buti.
Si Sheriff
Si
Ethan
Charlie
talaga eh.
kamukha
Haven't you
ano,
seen my
Kung anong
face?
gusto ni Ethan na respondehan, yun yung re-respondehan niya. Kasi hindi naman niya talaga
Ano?
dapat problemahin to city. Nagbibigay lang ng tulong ang BCS. So,
Anyways, bumili ako
Tamo,
dalawa.
wala na nga
Gusto mo
sergeant
mala?
na gumigising masyado. Si Yoyi lang.
Ano lang?
Ano na nangyari sa ano?
Ako na lang.
Diba?
Mura lang naman eh.
Anong gagawin dito?
Ako!
Gagawin doon.
Buy me
Kulang
one.
ng case.
Buy me
Biling ka 5K.
Wala nang
Alam mo
charge.
mga
Ano
mukha ni
gagawin
Charlie
dito?
yan, French
Gagawin
pub.
doon.
Search mo,
Kay
French
Pablo.
pub.
Take yan ah.
Tanong dito, tanong doon.
Kit lang, gago. Kit yan. Tangin na. Kit yan, Charlie.
Fuck you.
Kasi pagdating
Yan,
sa
French
ride
pub.
along, pagdating sa ride along, pag
Cute niya, boy.
tinatanong, gusto biruan.
Parang gusto mo
Pagdating
galaw.
sa order, walang biro-biro.
Or gusto mo,
Don
Charlie,
Pablo.
ano ka?
Wala naman in-order na ano ah.
Gusto nga kita.
Pomeranian.
May in-order ba si Don Pablo na bumili pagkain?
Pomeranian Rottweiler.
Uy,
May in-order ba si
gusto
Don
nga
Pablo
kita.
na pag sa seryosong
Ikaw pa
sitwasyon
lang.
eh, manggago.
Kasi mag-break na kami.
Oo, wala pa no.
Bibalik na
Ako
ako.
po. Baby!
Ano ba eh, ha? Makulit ka.
Oh, gawin mo.
Ano?
Papanindigan mo? Ha? Okay na ganyan mo? Uy, ganda.
Sabi ko nga,
Miss Beautiful.
kanina kay Chip, binigyan ko ng
Kala
offer
ko
si Chip.
Daenerys Targaryen
Sabi ko,
ang
Chip,
puta.
babalik ako
Dracarys.
LSPD basta bibigay mo sa akin yung isang spot ng captain. Ang magiging ano doon,
Angus, Yohi,
ang magiging
Angus.
protocol ko, wala na maglilingkon na senior officer at below. Ang pwede lang maglingkon, HSU, detective and higher ups. At bawal na rin mag-squad. Ito na, isipin mo, 3-4 sa isang cruiser, tapos di na nakakapag-respond dahil ilang crew. Isipin mo, 10 naka-duty, ay 12 naka-duty, tapos...
Pablo.
Yes.
Pablo.
Wait, I cannot, you're literally, I cannot hear you.
Tara. Sarap tayo. Sarap.
Oh, dyan. Tatanggalan na yan, lahat babalik PTB.
PCSO dito. LSPD dito.
Wala
Tapos lahat ng umupo. Ang dami pang available seats.
Tsaka gusto din naman nila yun.
Hello? Alright. Same shit. Minor concerns. I will be separating the roll call for SPD later on.
Gusto din naman nila yan.
It goes applies to everyone.
Yeah. All the complaints and concerns will be discussed for only LSPD.
Diba I was talking to you kanina?
Sa kanila pa rin naman yan. At the end of the day, game lang naman to. At the end of the day, game lang din naman to.
Minor
Sa
concerns.
kanila naman yan eh. Diba?
Always lock the doors and gates. Second,
Kung willing silang ganyan.
each
Sa
one of
kanila din,
these
papahirapan na
chapter
din
and
nila yung
date
ibang
case
tao eh.
depending
Kasi
reports.
sabi nga ni
Third,
Joe nakaraan nga, diba? Sa
Accent
captain.
camp was always activated.
Sabi nga ni Joe nakaraan.
Fourth,
Total naman, walang pakialam yung officers kung ano
police
magiging outcome.
clearance
At dahil may mga higher-ups na
firearm
para humandle
clearance
ng ganung sitwasyon, wala na silang
will be
pakialam.
doing for only LSPD officers, senior police officer above.
Diba?
Why did I not include the officer? Because they will be needing in the streets. Patrol ops.
Kaya lang
Like
naman
what I
nagiging
said,
order yung
to those
sinasabi ko kasi
officer
nga hindi
who are
nakikinig.
senior police officer, they will be or they are required to do police clearance and firearm clearance. Next, in terms of active calls,
I can't.
So nyo ba, akala nyo
Juan
ba na
Villero,
mimili ako ng
in a
ina-adam up?
1090 robbery,
Pinipilit ko lahat maka-adam up dahil
Store,
kailangan i-reevaluate yan for
RSA,
PTB.
if the suspect is using
Yan si Shoto, di ko nasabihan kay Chip. Si
local
Mala, yung mga
vehicles,
yan.
escape
Sila
vehicles,
Malik.
one
Si
Villero,
Marty.
then the others are bravado.
Oo.
If they're using
Chica,
supercar,
Dudut,
sports car, or
Ryan.
sunrise,
lahat yan.
they will be
Pipilit ko
needing to
re-evaluate.
Villero, then the others are bravado. Next, equipments, destroy equipments. Don't put it in the MRPD building, comfort room, firing range, training room, briefing room.
Mayala. Kaya
Captain's
LSPD versus
office.
BCSO na yan.
If
Si
I
Don
saw
Pablo
any
ay
loadouts or
Mantitrip na
destroyed
lang sa mga
loadouts,
LSPD goals.
you guys are automatic suspended for
Hindi na
3
ako
days.
sa kanila.
No desk duty. Same as the BCSO as well. I believe Sergeant Reese Mills is aware of this because I just reported to her last time that one of the BCSO or deputy
Ano lang ako.
I just put it on the firing range
Kung saan
loadouts,
lang,
some destroyed loadouts.
ano lang, pwede man trip.
So please be aware of that. Next,
LSPD din naman mahirapan eh.
Blaine County Sheriff. Thank you for helping us in our jurisdiction. Whatever the concerns,
Natama
complaints,
si
these past few
Sheriff Litan
days,
eh.
even last night,
Ano pa point at effort niya para tulungan yung
we're gonna do
PD kung paulit-ulit
our
lang din
best
niya
to
sinasabi.
improve it more.
So po last time,
putting double
1071,
effort
wala
on it.
nagsigod ng body.
As the chief of the
So di
LSPD,
na natin masisisi. Putok na
give me
putok
some
lahat.
time.
Pero gano'n lang.
Give me some time to change everything, whatever the concerns and complaint and happening in the department. Today, I'll be announcing all LSPD officers above, including the high commands, will be going back to the academy for 2 days. In short, they will be not responding to active calls. It's not whole academy. It's just like classroom session where you need to learn and to where you guys need to learn, and the instructor will be discussing about the LSPD handbook, about the policy, procedures, and simple instructions as well. So with that said, I will be starting it today. So Dane County Sheriff, since the LSPD will be not available today to respond to active calls, it is okay if you don't respond to active calls, whatever happening in the city. You guys can do patrol, active patrol in the city
Kasi
or
siya,
your
si Ethan, yung
jurisdiction.
way niya para
Like what I said, I will be putting each LSPD officers to the academy. I'm still waiting for
Tangina, may
Sheriff
cruiser.
Ethan and under Sheriff to give the
may
list of
cruiser na galing sa
who will be
Chapchapan.
going back to
Putang
the
ina.
academy as well.
Baka nag-code zero.
Next, chain of
Sino yun
command.
nag-code zero?
I'm so sick and tired about this shit. I'm always reminding each one of you to inform your first contact in the COC, which is your sergeant. Whatever your action want to do, you're supposed to inform or to ask permission to your sergeant. Especially to the SPD.
Eh, syempre, may sariling buhay ang mga officers.
To avoid
Syempre, wala nang gumigising
misunderstanding,
sergeant eh. Papaalam pa ba sila kay
miscommunication,
Yoyi?
and lastly, bypassing the high command as well. Next, last one before I end this roll call.
Pero pinaka-last
Before
call ko
I end
talaga
this roll
dito,
call,
lahat ng inactive
all
na,
LSPD will be staying inside the classroom
intern cadet
for the
recruit,
academy.
tanggal.
In short,
Wala nang
classroom
usap-usap,
session
tanggal lahat ng
only.
intern recruit cadet. Kung gusto nilang
Because
bumalik,
some of the other
patunayan nilang
officers or
kaya
old
nila
officers
mag-duty
here
ng
didn't
3 days
experience
straight.
the academy.
Kahit 1 week. 1 week nga yung protocol nun eh.
The last
Ewan ko,
reminder
nyari sa
that I'm
PTP,
going to
naging
give
ano
you
eh,
guys,
naging mabait eh. Si intern recruit cadet ka, tapos di ka nag-duty.
always do your
Kahit sabi mo may
responsibility.
buhay kayo sa labas. RP,
Always
ginusto
do
niyo yung RP
your
na yun eh.
responsibility as
Sa
PD
pizzeria nga,
officers.
tsaka kat kape, kailangan mo mag-duty palagi eh, para
If
hindi
there's
ka na maging ano
ongoing
eh, trainee.
situation, please
Diba?
avoid responding to active calls. Let the other on-duty officers or deputy handle that. Everyone got that?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With that said, besides so,
Oh, you're not done.
no, hang on. What I said, my decision is all SPD will be taking the academy tonight. In short, there will be not responding to active calls, so I highly recommend to is either to patrol or to patrol to your jurisdiction. Because I don't want to ask a help from you guys to take over the active calls in the city. Alright. So yeah. Lieutenant Jack Rooney, Sergeant Yoyi, Sergeant Don Pablo, Sergeant Rios Mills, Captain Jack, and Sergeant Rios Mills. If you guys want to add something about last night, about what happened these past few days, add it right now. About the LSPD concerns, I will be taking care of that.
Mang, ang
Take the
nangyayari
podium
mo
if
ba?
you guys want to add something.
I have nothing to say.
I currently have nothing.
Wala kayong sasabihin tatlo?
Negative on my side.
Negative. I've already brought it up with the
Kainig kayong lahat.
people that have.
Pagod na rin ako eh. Hindi ako dito para samutin lahat ng katakahan nyo. Sa totoo lang. Isipin nyo nakarating kayo sa officer
Putang ina,
o kaya
CCTV.
senior officer tapos pag may isang bagay, miski sabihin natin na bolo na yung plate, tatanungin anong gagawin nyo, tatanungin nyo pa rin sa akin, sa amin.
Yun na
Tama po
nga.
ba yun?
Tatanong pa ako anong gagawin.
Hindi ba dumaan na nga ng PTB? Natambok din naman lahat. Nagkulang ba sa paalala?
Kasi namimili
Simpleng
lang
pagsagot sa radyo.
samahan. Pag ayaw ng strict na officer,
Ilang buwan ng
hanap ibang
problema to?
kasama. Ayun,
Isang simpleng
seryosong
10-2 kaya
sitwasyon.
isang simpleng
Yan nga.
explanation, walang sumasagot. Pagka hindi alam yung ano sa isang bagay, kahit nakita na yung kung ano nangyari, walang pake. Magsari-sarili na lang tayo dito.
Kaya tama si
Hindi naman gusto
Joe
niyo
eh. Wala na siyang problema eh.
Halos ganun na rin pinaparating niya eh.
Tama rin talaga si Joe na when it comes na ano talaga.
Tapos pag nagkamali,
Tama talaga
hindi
si
kaya
Joe.
pangatawanan.
Hindi kasi iniisip ng iba yung action nila na ang magiging
Ayaw niyong pagsalitaan kayo, ayaw niyo kayong pagbusesan, pero kayo na mismo yung gumagawa ng mga dapat hindi niyo gawin. Para kayong mga bata.
Kaya may mga lawsuit eh. Tumunto si Marty. Ilang beses na rin pinagsasabihan to
Simpleng
si Marty.
advancement, simpleng radioing. Hindi kayang gawin.
Araw piniitan sa'yo, gigil
Simpleng
na.
comms. Anong pinunta nyo dito?
Comms na, yun na.
Para lumabas kayo dyan na naka-uniforme.
Nahiya pa magsalita.
Tapos manuway. Magtanod na lang kayo.
Tama si Benti. Ano nangyari kay Benti? Di na nag-duty.
Tatagalugin ko na nang tumatak lahat sa utak nyo.
Hindi yan marunong pa mag-comms. Nahiya pa rin.
Ganun lang din eh. Kahit
That's
ilang
life.
paalala, kahit ilang sabi. Parang sirang plaka. Tapos miski isang bagay, sabi natin na pagsabihan, may masabi. Kung ayaw nyo may masabi, ayusin nyo. Kung may mali, akuin nyo. Tangina, parang hindi na grade 2. Sa totoo lang. Naintindihan ba ng lahat?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes, sir.
Tignan nyo kapag pinagsabihan kayo, para kayong maamong tupa. Para kayong mga bata. Halos ilang buwan kayo nag-aral, pinagdaanan yung mga bagay-bagay, tapos kapag may isang ano na bagay, hindi nyo na kayang gawin.
Yung laro na nga, laro pa. Parang basketball lang.
Tapos pag pinagdaan kayo, wala kayo sabihin. Pag tinanong kayo kung nagets nyo ba, nagets nyo, tapos ulitin nyo lang din. Naglolokohan lang tayo dito, no?
Wala parang ano lang yan, basketball.
Tapos sino sasambot ng mga kasalanan nyo?
Kung ano pang
Sergeant, Lieutenant, Captain, pati
parang
Chief.
ganun lang din yun. Laro na nga, nila.
Sobrang linyit na nga ng jeep niya eh.
Complicated pa.
Sa totoo lang, kung naranasan nyo yung kay Chavez, ewan ko na lang.
Ilang beses na nakawan yung Evangelico ngayon, isa pa lang.
As much as possible, naging mas mapagpasensya kami, pero
Bukas yan.
sa ginagawa nyo, nauubos yung pasensya ko eh.
Putang ina, bukas na.
Wake up call na nga yun, no? Yung nag-resign si Captain Joe.
Ay, Walang wake up sa LSPD. Bait
Ito,
na nga
paano tayo
namin
mag-evolve niyan kung
Yoi
wala
as
nag-step
sergeants
up?
sa totoo lang. Sa sobrang daming lapses ng mga tao and
May
shit.
one lang LSPD na matauhan.
Demerit yun eh.
Like what I said, BCSO. It is okay, don't respond to active calls. Hayaan niyo muna yun. Is either you guys can patrol the city or just go back to your jurisdiction kasi as the chief of the SPD, let me fix everything in my department. Give me weeks. Give me weeks to improve those mistakes that happened to my department. Lastly, thank you so much for putting your effort and time and helping us. I know one of you guys are stressed happening these past few days, like what I said. There will be new policy for LSPD, so give us time to take, improve to you guys that we're going to do or they're going to do their responsibility. Thank you. It's LSPD stay.
Copy, Chief.
Happy Chief.
Affirm, Sir Chief.
Thank you. One sir, just take aside for the meantime. I will be discussing the major concern from the
Hey,
LSPD.
firm chief.
LSPD at the back. Occupy the left side table, please. Also the front seats.
Ha? Mag?
Swap ng cellphone.
LSPD at the back. Occupy the front seats.
Hindi.
Wala ko madami.
Hindi. Iba.
Ang ganda mo
Command,
doon sa
take a
komunidad
seat. Let me speak.
Ang ganda mo sa komunidad.
Ako na
Green.
yun eh. Ay.
Wow! Wow!
Sayang, no?
Ako na yun eh.
Wow!
Sayang. Ano?
Stop,
Wala kang
stop, there you go,
kilay.
Sergeant.
Shut up. Hindi yun yung sino puro may ano ngayon. Yun yung sino puro may lawsuit. Bukod kay ano. Bukod kay Marty. Yun yung sino hirap na hirap mag-pull over. Tingin niya. Well, actually, itong naman itong mga deputies din ng BCS, so nasa kanila din naman kung gusto nila mag-respond o hindi. Kung nasa north sila. For example, nasa north sila, tapos tinanong ko namin sila, example, share, ako, sergeant ako, tinanong ko, can you provide 78 dito? Kung nag-negative naman sila, tapos nagko-conduct sila, nagpapatuloy sila sa up north, wala namang magagawa eh. Kasi jurisdiction ng BCS talaga yun eh. Madali lang magsalita. Ewan ko, bakit hirap na hirap magsalita ibang tao. Ewan ko. Ako ba yung hirap na hirap bumoses sa loob? Harap-harapan. Pero pag nakatalikod, madali bumoses. Diba? Ang Toriri. Yung nakaharap. Yung nakaharap. Ang daling bumoses. Yung nakatalikod. Lahat ng binoses na buboses. Ba't kita pinapagising? Walang mag-duty na LSPD ngayon. Ay, naka-duty pala sila pero walang magre-respond ng call. PTB sila lahat. Daming complain ng mga tao from Los Santos City PD eh. Ito dinadamay. Gumising ka dahil hindi magdi-duty yung mga PD ngayon. Sila ay babalik PTB. So, kailangan namin... Kaya kasi ni Shin nag-Valorant eh. Kuha na ito ni Shin eh. Bobo talaga eh. Duty daw kanina eh. Duty yung mga. Hindi ka naman nag-aaral eh. Nanonood ka lang naman ng One Piece tsaka naglalaro ng dress up. Uni ka pa nalaman. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayong ma-stress sa nagsasabi ng isipin mo na lang kung pinag-uusapan nila yung ganung bagay. Living rent-free ako sa utak nila. Tapos alam mo naman talaga nag-aaral sa uni ang puta. Akala mo talaga nakikinig sa mga pinaggagawa. For your information, FYI. For your FY information, kung ano naman dapat magandang sabihin. For your FYI, lalaro ka lang ng dress up tsaka nanonood ng One Piece. Hey, main character things. Hey, main character things. Tignan nyo yung art ko. Bila lang mo. Gago. Focus lang sa goal. Spoiler. Focus sa goal. Episode 893 na ako, diba? Sabi sa inyo chat eh, hindi talaga nakabasa ng chat ni Rio na nasa uni daw siya. Sa uni siya para manood ng One Piece. Very. The perspective of RP, parang ano lang yan, the beauty. Kung gwapo o pangit ba, kung gwapo, maganda, pangit ba isang tao. It's in the eye of the beholder. Hey! Para sa'yo, boring. Boring. Gusto ko lagi na ito. Masaya-asar ko sila yan ay pag-argue sa mga criminals, tapos i-de-escalate ko, tapos mag-agree sila. Yun yung si Anya Kojima, tsaka si Charlie Traven. Oo, tayo na pag nakipag-argue at hindi de-escalate, escalate talaga malala. Tulog na kayo, tuhulog na lang kayo. LSPD versus BCSO. Ako, kung narinig nyo lang, magpatuloy ka sa norte. Ako, sayang yung ano dito. Sayang yung walang LSPD na naka-duty. Hindi stressful. Tumatay lang may. Tayo lang mag-respond. Matino comms. Gusto niya yan. Gusto niya yan. Matino yung comms. Thank you, Juan. For the follow.
Los Santos is our jurisdiction. The city.
Hindi makapag-reply sa dispatch message pero kaya mag-respond bigla sa call. Ano mag-duty ngayon? Busy lang. gaano kagigil ang ay nako, chat ko alam niyo lang gaano kagigil ang undersheriff ng undersheriff ng BCSO si Jacob. Nako. Yun talaga. Yun ang maraming sasabihin. Siya ang pinakamaraming masasabi. Anong SQN? Iniiwas nga ako sa stress, papasado mo sa akin si Charlie. Ano lahat nakawin niya. Minit dugo ni Charlie tsaka ni Jacob. Saan kasi? Saan? Mag-duty ka lang! Ano na to eh? Ito lieutenant na to eh. Gas ba ako? Sorry ah. Hindi ka naman SQN ang puta ano yan. Square root. Nagpapa-tune. Tsaka ayoko ng stress. Sasama ba sa akin si Kai? Instead of de-escalate the situation, escalate yan eh. Tsaka di pwede kami magsama ni Kai. Gigil ako sa tao ng Los Santos ngayon. Ako. Kung nakita mo lang. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako po ay nag-demon time kanina. Hindi naman demon time. Kumbaga, not me. Pero hindi ako naka-stream. Dampak.
443 Lincoln, Show Me City Patrol.
Wag, tangin na naman ito eh. Nag-duty ka rin kaya. Para kayo magsama. Sumabog ako kanina. Tangin na lockdown be. Tapos sabi sa akin, magpapagamot daw siya. Di sabi namin, kailangan makapkapan kasi lockdown. Tapos sabi, gusto ng babae, din explain ni Mala, wala pong babae na available. Tapos sabi, para naman pinilit mo na ako niyan. Kasi papakapkap na ako. Dahil nasabi ko, merong officer na babae na available. Tapos sabi niya, hintayin ko pa ba yun? Bleeding na ako, down na ako. Sana ako isip-isip ko, sana ako nagpakap-kap ka agad, tapos na. Na ibang arte. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, di maghanap siya ng ibang ospital. Bumili siya ng bandahe, bumili siya ng bandage sa store. Tapos sabi ko, I'm sorry ma'am if you cannot speak to somebody with a higher intellectual. It is not my problem. If you cannot handle a person with somebody with a higher intellectual, please do not talk to anyone anymore. Nagigil kanina. Tapos yung sabi sa atin, anong badge number ko? 499 sabi ko. Doon pa ako. Sabi nila may araw daw ako. Lumabas ako ng HP, kinuha ko megaphone ko. Sabi ko, bye-bye! Alam ko ba best dynamic ah? Yung best! Gago pala kayo eh. Best ang puta. Pampangas best, pwede pa. Number 1 ang puta, stress lang abot eh, gagalit pa eh. Alam mo yung de-escalate yung sitwasyon, tas ini-escalate nila para sa akin, si Anya tsaka si Charlie. Pero di malala ngayon, tangina ako magde-escalate. Di kasi pwede eh. Tayo ng tiniyaan niya tsaka ni Charlie. Pagkasama ko nangyayari, hindi ako nagiging masama eh. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy ako masama. I-record ka yan for sure pati. And then, hindi ako nag-record kanina. Hindi ako naka-record kanina dahil sa visit ko. Kanto sabi ko kanina. Chat to. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ayan, tumingin sa harap ng HP, tinititigan ako. Gago pala kayo. Ayan yung pakita yung subside niya. FY, for your FYI lang. Yan dalawa na yan, hindi... Alam niyo yung ginagawa nila sa RP, hindi ako tinatantanan, hindi ako tinitigilan. Ganyan na ganyan din yan sa Discord. Tingnan nyo, pag hinahanap ako niyan, nasa Discord ako, pero hindi ako nagsasalita, hindi ako kumikibo. Ako lugi, calibrated yung motor niya. Lugi, calibrated. Akin ang bilis oh. Calibrated yan pag ganyan. Wow! Tumalun ka agad. Nagkausap lang tayo. Ano naman pag-usap? Ano mo naman? Ay, pag-usap lang ako, sabihin ko ano wala akong helmet eh. Full server map. NVE. Ata? Pangalan. Sabi niya on purpose kami di pala. Nasabi ko, joke lang. Hindi ko lang kayo napapansin kasi busy ako. Ulit ka sila para sa ng tax. Ito pala ako yan. Hindi naman ni Kepoy, sasabihin ko lang, ba't wala nga siyang helmet? Gusto ko paglaruin ng Dress to Impress. The fuck? No ko. Bata. I'm fucking old. Corner mo lang ni Kepwing. Dapat yung mga ganun jump, sa kanya niya pinapakita yun eh. Sa chase eh. Kung ginawa niya yun sa ano sa chase, gago mababaliw yung mga tao. Oh, ano mo? Oh, ginagawa yung sarili ko ah. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko naman susundan yung job na yun eh. 10 billion para sa akin eh. Tak. Ina mo. Kaya wala, kailangan makalibrate yung motor ko. Ano ba armor? Hey, done it! Pero ano, sa kabila ata siya nilipid eh. Nakalibrate ko mo. Okay. Okay, nakalibrate ko. Pag tumama sa red, mas mataas siya. Pero pag hindi siya tumama sa red, mababa. Defense, minto, pinagtutulungan niyo ako. Sasabog ata ako ah. Sa pakat ng jump, sasabog na ako. Pang, gago ka! Gago ka talaga! Gago ka! Ayan mo. Ito, sumabog pa. Sir,
Bad, sir.
can I request a favor, sir, if that's all?
Sure. Ano yan?
Can you bring me there up the freeway, sir?
Freeway, sige. Wait lang. I-check lang.
Okay, sir.
Hours yung ano ko. Tara sir, kaso sa trunk ko kailangan puno kami.
No problem. I get this, sir. Wait.
Let's go.
I'll give
Ay,
you
hindi.
something.
3C.
Wait.
Ha? Nakapatong sila.
Hindi, trunk ka na lang, Owa. Trunk ka na lang. Si Chip na lang yung
Oo, si Chip
ayusin
na lang.
mo po.
Thank you, very sorry.
Sorry sir.
Wait, I cannot get
Sir,
in.
sabi ka na, sir. Huwag kang maya. Okay lang yan.
Wait, I cannot get in.
Wala, nagpatong sila.
Yeah, there's a problem.
Sa paningin ko nagpatong sila.
So check the glove box. I gave you something in exchange.
Okay na, sir.
Uy, grabe yan. Ang bilis ng kamay ng isa.
That was supposed to
HP,
be.
diba?
It was supposed to be for the driver, but that was so fast.
Dito daw sa taas
Yes,
na ano. Dito ba sir?
Yes, sir. A little bit more. You see the motorcycle there?
Tumalsik ka nga.
Nothing happened.
Tumalsik si sir.
Thank you very much. I hope you appreciate
Sige,
the
sir.
exchange. Thank you. What if? Di pwede eh. GG sila. 10-4. 499 show me responding as well. Pero pag ginawa nila akong ano, hostage, GG sila. On duty ako eh. 499 responding nila just the 90 at 268. Naka on duty ako eh pag ginawa nila ako hostage. Providing 78 at Route 68. Are you responding to Route 68? Chika. Lugi sila dun. Ano sila dun? Buong ano sila dun? Buong mag-all units ng BCS dyan. Can you check? All BCS are responding to the Route 68, switch to frequency. Pagtang na pag na-hostage ako dun kanina, bobo ko.
Medyo check po.
10-2. Siguro naglalakad ako naka-uniform sa lang. Phone 99 is on the frequency. Yo, so ano?
Responding here.
10-4, I'm currently at Senora Freeway. Imbes na ako na hostage sa ano, text ko. Hindi ako na hostage. Pero pag na-hostage naman ng officer, medyo matindi ang shit sa ata. Ewan ko. Sino kay Rega, medyo matindi rin yung naging respond namin. Tapos yung kay Captain din, na-hostage si Captain. Ano, all units kami doon. Hindi mo na ako nag-off duty. Wala naman din ako gagawin sa off duty unless gusto ko magpapera. Pero kung magpapapera ako, pwede nila ako mag-ano. Patrol na mag-patrol, di ba? Manghuli na manghuli. What car is that? Oh! Hindi ako natutulog. Natulog ako the fuck.
Possible suspects 3. One is armed.
Ano ba yung tulog? Ano ba yung tulog? Ikaw yung nag-aanap ko yung sa airport kanina. Ba't kayo ba yun? Late lang ako nag-responde. Malas nyo, si Diggy. Si Diggy makukulong talaga yun eh. Nagpakita pa. Makakawal kasi lagi siya sa'yo. Ikaw pa. Akala namin dito. Kanala. Wait, 10-7, I have to go to CR.
I firm, sir. The suspects
Just take the
demands are...
hostage.
10-9?
I firm.
I'll just take the hostage na lang.
10-4.
Connect with you guys.
Suspects demands are free passage and no spike strips.
10-4. Wait lang, 10-7 saglit.
10-4.
Wala pa sila eh. Sa Damuan. Sabi na eh, alam ko na yung mga ganyan eh. 10-8, 4-9, 10-8, I'm here.
Hey, perm.
Saan Damuan? Anong part? Yung sa may ano? Sa may... Sasamping ko. Sa may malapit dun sa truck? O papuntang beach? Sabi ni. Kaya lagi ako nagko-conduct ng Code 6 na ganun sa bush. Kasi pag natamaan ko sila, GG sila eh. Pero ewan ko lang kung ano yun, kung hindi pwede or pwede. Alam ko sinabi na ata dati na hindi pwede. Ata.
Sir, okay na ba?
10-4.
10-4.
Secondary ready.
Primary ready.
Tertiary ready.
Saan tong part na to?
I'll just talk to them.
Don
I'll
Pablo,
talk to, go ahead.
Don Pablo, if it's slow, because I think it's a local, it's unregistered Stigma.
And for
I'll let
it
you
is slow.
Okay, primary and secondary, tertiary ready na, no?
10-4.
Ready.
10-4.
And for, I'll be giving green light to
10-4. Sir, just surrender, sir.
Okay, the driver is the white hoodie.
Surrender. Secondary taking comms. Pushing Route 68. I think. Heading to Boiling Brook. Possible exit Senora Freeway. We're pushing it. We're pushing it. Almost. With the left turn, incorrect traffic lane of Senora Freeway, possible U-turn.
Stigma na?
Wait,
Bagal?
take it first. Wait, emergency.
Possible, possible is, tawag na to, may switch siya na motor. Okay, narinig ko kasi sila. Okay, so,
If ano, Claudia, switch ka motor after you drop off hostage. Just in case.
transfer.
I'm connecting back.
Happened to you.
Emergency. Oh wow, emergency yun ah. I'm here, stay on your right, chica.
I'll be doing parallel.
10-4. You're gonna take it on
Tell me
your
when
left.
you're gonna...
Taking
Okay,
it,
go
taking
lang.
it. Hindu comms?
I secondary taking comms. We're currently here heading westbound on the cliff. Transitioning onto south of Milton, we're now heading northbound. Taking a right picture perfect, eastbound.
Possible exit Wagwan Chica. Exiting Wag.
50, so mobile, popping U-turn.
Station
Heading
Wagwan.
east on Parkway. Possible exit up in Atom. We will be exiting out up in Atom. We're currently on Didion eastbound. Now on Clinton, eastbound still, taking a right turn southbound Alta. Taking a left turn Vinewood, eastbound. Taking a right on Tower, southbound.
Switch to eh. Ganito ka ano?
Taking another right.
Ang gagago. Switch to?
Westbound now.
Pipilit nila yung switch dito.
Taking another right, northbound Alta. Taking a right alleyway. Exiting Tower, northbound. Taking a left turn, Vinewood. Westbound. I think we have money truck here, Liam.
Yeah, disconnect here, Charlie. Chica, go with disconnect as well. I'll just chase who I can chase you. Go back to that's frequency 2 still. Claudia, are you still here in frequency, Claudia? Just provide 78 at the monitor.
For 376 to Humane Labs.
We're going to let us in traffic.
Priority.
Don't Pablo try to keep eyes. I don't know if we'll put them.
10-4, I still have eyes, no worries. Nakambay ka kay Shin kagabi. Ano nangyari? Yung mga ganito naman, possible switch lagi. Yung mga pag-local cars. Pag hindi maka-loose eyes, laging switch to. Never naman hindi naging switch yung mga local cars.
ATS already. ATS is going down.
Kaya friend ko agad yung ano, yung sasakay. Yung switch ay friend ko. Ay yung lilipat or yung si switch friend ko. Mag-isa lang ako eh. Yun nga lang, delikado.
I think
pero
I have eyes on the ATS.
wag lang nila akong babaril.
Scratch on that. There's a calico coming from Humane. Possible na ano, involved yun. Nasaan yung Tara na sila. We're in Paleto right now. I still don't have eyes on the ATS. I'm trying to find them. 10-4. Medyo mabagal kasi nabado. We will try our best. Go lang. I don't know where they are right now. I have no irons. I only saw a calico apparently in ATS.
Fuck, gusto mo karakter ko.
Yeah, wala nang trigger yung ATS eh. I'll just push straight back down to the city if there's no more call. I'll connect back to the Pablo. Sit rep on Pablo.
I'm VCB right now. They did a stairs shot.
Yeah, there's no more call for ATS. We can call it code for ATS.
Imagine paano babado. Conducting code 6. Empty. Hindi lang isip ko sa ako mag-advance ako, hindi. I wanted to advance. Is them again. I have ice again.
The 9?
I have.
Yes, officer, can we help you?
Hello?
Radio?
Or sheriff?
You were
can we
looking
help
for
you?
someone?
I don't know. Carry along.
Sabi niya may isolation.
Alright, have a good day. Catch those foot.
I have no idea, to be honest.
Where are you?
Intruder.
Can you check the plate number again? Can someone check the plate number?
28L. It starts with 28L.
Yeah, and my radar was not on a while ago.
Anong boses mo?
My radar was not on a while ago.
28L yung intruder. Do you still have eyes or no?
Negative?
Simple.
I just call it code.
Let's switch to radio frequency 1 since
We're
already on.
closing.
Yung plate number. Evidence. 9820.
We're gonna delete the same traffic.
I'm sleepy.
What?
I'm sleepy.
What?
I'm sleepy.
Go off duty. Sleep.
It's too early, then I'll be up in the middle of the night na naman.
At least you sleep early.
No, because every time I sleep early, my body thinks it's a nap, so I'll wake up after 2 to 3 hours.
I'm gonna gas up. Yes, Sergeant. True. Nasa stair strap lang talaga eh. Parang stair strap talaga na eh.
I'm in radio too long. I don't wanna go to work.
Okay, I'll be ready to. Check. Oh, motor? Fuck that. Paano ako mag-chase sa motor? Yung kotse, payag pa ako. Kung paano ako mag-chase sa motor? Solid pa sa solid. Huli lahat. Sa kotse, wala na tayong magagawa dun. Basta hindi, yung talaga mag-MC. Sabog ako, sabog. Hindi ba yun? Pero syempre, yung laging nabibcb, syempre, kwento nila yan, bida sila dyan. Sana nakakita ng kwento nila, hindi sila bida. Iwasan yun. Syempre, kwento nila yan, bida sila dyan. Sa mga nakakita ng ang tinandaan yung tama.
Front, away.
Kaya kaya nakakita na nakatanda is tama. Ano mas ano? Ang
Welcome, Papa.
No signs of life. Nakakagda na tandaan yung ano. Mga tamang bagay. There's a vehicle nearby, but I'm not sure if it's involved. Mga tao nga yan, mga lokal. Ay, nakakita na tinandaan yung tama. Siyempre mali lagi tinatandaan. Yun naman. Code 4? No, there's nothing.
Code 4 na?
Yes.
Wala na? Okay.
Rear, closing.
Pero wala naman yan. Kung ayaw naman nila makuman, sila magko-command. Kailangan nila accept yung fate. So lahat ng huli mo sa'yo. Drive! Well, RP din naman nila yun. Masaya sila sa RP na yun. If they're fun. If yung RP nila is pagiging clown, hindi magiging clown sila. Oh, yun. Maging yan. Masaya na ako sa trick pagdating sa remote cadet shit. Meron akong kanta guys na ano tumatak sa utak ko dahil doon sa nag-Golden Valley. Nagad kasi ako ng BGT sa mga nakakakalam. Don't put it into words. Isipin nyo na lang. Ito na lang isipin nyo. Pinoproblema nyo yung masyado nyong iniisip kasi RP ng iba. Ayan nyo na sila. Let their RP be. Ito mo nangyayari. They're living rent-free sa utak. Kaya nyo ako. Sino nag-iisip ng RP ko. Sino nag-iisip ng ginagawa ko. Sila. Sino nag-e-effort na pag-usapan ako. Just turn off our engine, please. Thank you. And roll your windows down. Thank you.
Bakit, sir?
So because I'm pulling you over.
Bakit, sir?
Can you turn off your engine, sir? Good morning, sir.
Hello, sir.
I'm
Bakit?
the Sergeant Don Pablo of the PCL department. Do you know the reason why I have pulled you over, sir?
Hindi, sir.
Apparently, sir, you're speeding and beating the red light, sir.
Anong speeding, sir? 60 lang takbo ko.
And yes, okay, if you want to deny that, that's no problem. But you beated the red lights multiple times over there. I saw it with my accent on as well, with my two own eyes. Over here as well, at the intersection near Legion Square. You have a driver's license with you, sir? Is this you, sir? Mr. John Palm?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't look like you, sir. You have an
Old
ID.
ID yan, sir, eh.
You have an ID that is new and present.
Wala, sir, eh.
You have a vehicle registration for this, sir.
Check ko lang, sir. Wala yata, sir.
And
Kita ba?
this is
Ay, iba pala yan.
this is a different one, sir.
Wala, sir, eh.
Just a moment, okay, sir. Just stay here. I'll be back.
Sige lang, chip.
89WC. So do you have any ID, sir, that states that is this your vehicle, sir?
No, sir.
How may I know who owns this vehicle, sir?
Sorry. Big.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir. What did you say? Hello, sir. Can you hear me? If you're trying to talk, sir, I cannot hear you.
Hello?
Yes, now I can hear you. What did you say, sir? Who owns this vehicle?
Sa kaibigan ko, sir.
May I know the name of your friend, sir?
Si Drake, sir.
Okay, sir. I'm gonna let you go for now, but if I see you again beating the red light, sir, and anything, I'll be bringing you to PD, as the ID that you showed me, sir, is not a present one. We'll be needing to identify you. If that is your ID as well.
Don Pablo, I'm gonna 42.
Sige, sir. Kuha ako ng bago. Tsaka
Okay, sir.
registration.
Carry on after I proceed to my vehicle, sir. Okay?
Sige, Chip. Thank you, Chip.
10-4. You may leave, sir. You may leave.
Okay na, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Sabi ko nga sa mga viewers ko since day 1, kung anong gusto sabihin sa chat ko, before pa kayo manood, kung anong gusto sabihin ng viewers sa chat, kung ano gusto nyo sabihin sa chat, sabihin nyo lang. Wala naman pakialam yung mga tao na yan. Nagiging problema lang din nila yun. Hindi naman nyo. Kasi kung di naman mag-chat happy yung mga tao, sige mag-chat happy para nilagay mas. Don't stress about it. Please don't stress. They can say that. Don't what's up.
You feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall. It's holding all that you know.
Chief Charlie? Ay, si Chief ano?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Si Chief Charlie po.
Currently, she's off duty, sir.
Ikaw na lang tatanggap, sir?
But I don't have a badge.
Okay.
I'll request,
I'll
request one.
Ni-request ko na rin po kay Chief Lorenzo. Kay Cap Lorenzo. Sabihin ko na nandito ako.
Okay, please tell him that 499 cannot receive due to he doesn't have a badge. Thank you. May kanta pala, chat. Yung pinlay ko. Pala. Di pala yung kantang yung... They can say that so... Yan ba hindi ko pa napapanood yun? I mean, napanood ko na pero hindi ko siya natapos in terms of like from part 1 to gandulo. Yeah, napanood mo eh.
Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see. dreams, a million dreams. I think of what the world could be.
A vision of the world I see, a million dreams and all it gonna take. Ganda kasi ng song talaga. Alam ko yung song, pero di ko alam yung movie itself.
Not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, I say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. Another round of bullets hits my skin.
Narinig ko rin ito kanta.
'Cause today I won't let the
Alam ko lang yung movie na yun is so parang kumuha sila ng mga extraordinary people. Ano extraordinary? There's no basis na. For ano pa lang. Unique people pala. Unique people.
Sir? Wala pa, hindi pa ako na... Teka lang daw, sabi ni Chief Lorenzo.
I cannot pick it up.
Yeah, you can. Need talaga namin ng badge po. Kasi napagalitan na rin po kami last time na... Ewan ko, may ano po. May binigay yung isang katrabaho namin. Ewan ko kung sino pong chip yun, then ID yung naipakita.
Okay, no worry. I'll request.
Okay. Thank you.
Second floor beside the armory and comfort room. Second, once you found out, search it in the MDT, then make a report on it. And then we can, invite that person to be questioned about his gun,
For further
was
dispatch
found in the
the tender
bushes,
date here
something
at
like that. Yeah. So hanggat may reasonable
the
suspicion
periphery
tayo,
is now code for.
we can arrest that guy muna. Unless if we have solid proof or evidence. So that's just for reasonable suspicion. Probable cause, hard objectives. I mean, this is the time we have solid proof or evidence. We caught him in the act or we caught him in the eye that he is the one who do the crime. Same scenario. Upon arriving on the scene, you saw one person holding his pistol. With that said, you have probable cause that the person is holding his firearm which is already brandishing. Second, of course, once the suspect has a gun on his hands, you need to pull out your service pistol as well. All right? If nakita nyo na may yung baril yung person, you need to pull out the service pistol as well.
Kung nag-duty BCSO, medyo
And
matagal pa
inform him, sir, drop the weapon, raise your hand on your knees, surrounded by Los Angeles Police Department. And if he comply,
Wait, try ko ulit yung drug trafficking na to.
officer, stop the suspect, read his rights, and then after that, do the procedures.
Very GG's na lang ako.
So, since he got brandishing already, check the firearm if this firearm is illegal or legal. For example, normal pistol, that's illegal. I mean, that's legal, I mean.
Maraming BCS
But if he's holding a heavy,
Hindi ako naman makipag-interact sa LSPD ngayon.
revolver or something illegal weapons, yeah, that's considered
Guys,
criminal possession of Class A. Third
Walang
one,
BCSO eh.
if he got passed
Wala si
on,
Shin,
he has
wala si
covered, that's
Jacob,
all as
wala si
well.
Charlie,
Whatever
wala si
evidence
Anya.
for him.
Si Riz nawawala pa.
Then the bullet
Si Ren,
casing,
sa Ladin.
bullet casing
Si
must
Chika lang
be
nandyan.
clear.
Wala si Dudut. Hindi na kami.
Well. So with that said,
Si ibang game. Oo, hindi na ako nag-stream ng ibang game eh.
evidence for that guy.
Time word streaming different game eh.
We can put him in a cell.
Tomorrow na lang. Wala nga si Dudut. Wala rin eh, kahit nandyan si Chika, kahit nandyan naman si Chika, tsaka ako. Ilan lang kami pwede mag-respond. Ano? Fortunately, walang magre-respond sa inyo today. Tatlo lang din kami. Okay. Hindi ako tulog this past few days. Kaya hindi ako pinapatulog. Mahangis sa hapon eh. Nakatakot si Bebe Nana. Ayaw manood kay si Lorenzo muna tayo tapos Chika. Tapos Chika, 10-7. Bye-bye.